Well, when you want to start, you tell us. Hello, everybody. Today is the 8th of October. I'm here with one of the some of the members of the legal team. We just emerged from the closure of proceedings in the case of Nnamdi Kanu for today. The story is not going to be too long. It's very short.
Hey guys, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we are in court today, and after the court proceeding, it was still not released. But before now, Sowore made a tweet to the Southeast leaders, political elites, governors, and everybody responsible in the Southeast. And according to Sowore's word, that he is ready to lead or go with them to Sowore to protest for Nnamdi Kanu's release, since the court has failed to obey court order. The court is saying no obey their own order, because some court a few years ago discharged and acquitted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but Buhari government said no, that they should not let him go. Now Tinubu government continue for that stay place. So I'm going to show you that it's ready to go with any Southeast leaders. He will give political position aside and ready to go head on with them to seek other solution to release Nnamdi Kanu. Now today, Nnamdi Kanu say appear in court, but no avail. So we're going to watch Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lawyer speak, and we'll be right back.
Well, when you want to start, you tell us. Hello, everybody. Today is the 8th of October. I'm here with one of the some of the members of the legal team. We just emerged from the closure of proceedings in the case of Nnamdi Kanu for today. The story is not going to be too long. It's very short. The prosecution made a motion, an application to adjourn this matter because the Nigerian Medical Association did not file the report that the court mandated it to file on the last adjourned date. And that report, the kernel of that report is actually to advise the court whether Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fit for trial, or continuation of trial, and whether he deserves to be transferred to a hospital, i.e. the National Hospital. So that report was not in, so for that reason the prosecution made a motion, an application to adjourn the matter to another date, and the judge granted the application and adjourned the matter to 16th October.
So on the issue of medical counsel, yesterday medical counsel sat on the issue that has to do with Professor Aj, and when I got the information, I went to that place because I've written a petition against the DSSS doctor, the one that never examined Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and wrote a report. That was a couple of years ago, and nothing happened. Then I also wrote another one against the doctor that never examined Nnamdi Kanu, but had the audacity to depose 37 paragraph affidavit, countering the report of Professor Aj. But surprisingly, they left my own petition and be treating another issue. I went there, confronted them with it, so they succeeded in intimidating me and harassing me with a petition against me at the FPDC. But that one is a different ballgame altogether. Now to the President, Mr. President, the President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, please, as a matter of urgency, direct Attorney General to discontinue this funny charge. This charge is embarrassing Nigeria the more, and the more they keep on applying for adjournment. I know that they must have advised you, telling you that they don't have a case. I heard them saying. So in order to protect the integrity of Nigeria, please allow them to discontinue this particular charge, and so that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will continue with his agitation. Address all those issues that gave rise to the agitation. Everything will calm down. Anything short of that, if Nnamdi Kanu is released, he's expected to continue with the agitation. That is the naked truth. There's no going back. And all those people that are dancing around you, praising you, they are deceiving you. They are making your government unpopular. We are the people that are helping your government, telling you the truth. Attorney General will not tell you the truth, of course. No, don't touch me. Attorney General will not tell you the truth. And then person will not, we are the people that will tell you the truth. They don't have a case against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Of course, you know that had it been that Nnamdi Kanu is from the north or from the southwest, he will not be here today. They are doing him because he's from Igbo. Nobody should touch me. Allow me to express myself. It's my right. So Nnamdi Kanu is suffering this thing because he's an Igbo. He's from southeast. Those of you that are in the House of Assembly, Senate, bench warmers, will watch what is going on. At the appropriate time, we will tell you people that yes, the masses are watching you. Thanks and have a nice day. Yes,
we are saying that if they like, the government of the day should apply for record of proceeding so that they will realize the frivolity of the charges and the evidence already before the court. There is no reason for this prosecution. All the decisions of the court ought to be reviewed so that they will know the frivolity of what is happening before the court. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, all lovers of freedom. Please take a listening to what I'm saying. Nigeria is a country we all love and we want to love. But we cannot love this country unless this country begins to do equity, begins to do justice, and begins to do fair play and fairness to every citizen of the country. Chief Chukwuemeka Odumegwu went into the Biafran Civil War because of injustice. Now, Ralph Owazulike went into agitation for Biafra because of injustice. Today, Nnamdi Kanu is fighting the same injustice. And let me tell us, even if Nnamdi Kanu today stops today, there will be 10,000 other Nnamdi Kanu out there willing to take up the fight. And I must tell us that even my own children know that we are first of all Biafrans before we are Nigerians. Nobody can take that from us. We are first of all Biafrans before we are Nigerian. Just like you are Odudua before you are, or Yoruba before you are Nigerian. Just like you are Arewa before you are Nigerian. Nobody can take our identity away from us. So let Nigeria know this. And know
They should not manipulate the reports, because already we have already had the reports before they came, and when they examined Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they even detected more inmates that even the previous doctor could not even see. So that when they are writing their report, they should not manipulate it, because we already had the report before even the actual result the report they are going to bring.
Okay guys, welcome back. Now let's read from what Sowore said. He said, I've set aside my differences with some politicians for one case. I will challenge every politician or person of good conscience from the Southeast who says they want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu released to stop the rhetoric. Time for action is now. Let march to Aso Rock Villa. Every governor, senator, members of the House, traditional rulers, Prince Eze, Igbo person, and every Nigerian who believes in Kanu's freedom, come out and do more than talk. I will lead this peaceful march to the Aso Rock Villa. No more empty noise. At 6 o'clock, the governor tagged all the governors in. He said, we go together peacefully, legally, and visibly to demand justice and an end to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu persecution. So this is what Sowore tweeted. And after that, according to him, because some assembly members said they will go there, Sowore can tweet again, say, I have contacted the deputy speaker of the Abia State Assembly, and he informed me that they are entering a plenary section to choose a date for the protest at the Aso Rock Villa. After Mazi Kanu will go with their dates. So this from Sowore, that the House of Assembly in Abia State have chosen a date to do this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's demand for his release, because we don't say the courts don't fail. So because there's no really way the lawyers will take win this case. You know, guy won't be in Nigeria where they will know how the system works. So guys, enjoy this video, share, subscribe, and move.